Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Fluctus Channel. An aircraft carrier is a large floating airbase that allows a nation to project its military power to the world without the need for local bases. They have long and wide airstrips that can support full-length flight decks for aircraft landing and takeoff. The United States operates a fleet of these carriers that can carry various aircraft, including fighter jets and helicopters. The primary purpose of an aircraft carrier is to provide mobile air support wherever it's needed, whether during combat missions, peacekeeping efforts, or disaster relief operations. These aircraft carriers often go on deployments that can last for many months. These may include complicated undertakings involving a schedule with various operations conducted with thousands of crew members working in a coordinated manner to make the carrier operational. Shipboard life is centered around maintaining the ship, getting aircraft ready to fly missions, and performing flight operations, which require careful coordination of launches and recoveries on deck. These carriers are self-contained and can operate over great expanses of ocean for long periods, too far away to resort to land-based rescue. During long deployments, the crew aboard an aircraft carrier must remain sharp and ready to face any challenge that arises. To ensure this, various exercises and operations are conducted regularly. One key example is the underway replenishment operation, a critical process that allows the carrier to stay at sea for extended periods without needing to return to port for supplies. UNREP is known as underway replenishment, where the carrier takes on fuel, ammunition, food, or other necessary supplies while still underway. This operation is crucial because it allows the ship to be more combat ready and maintain long-duration missions without interruption. It's done by replenishment vessels, special types of ships that sail aside to the carrier. The two boats then transfer supplies via cables and hoses, while both of them are moving at top speed to stay on course. The operation has to be carefully coordinated between the two ships and requires skillful handling by the crews so that both bows remain close but not too much for a safe transfer. UNREP is particularly complex and illustrates the capable crew's accomplished performance of high-stressed operations in harsh conditions to keep a carrier mission-ready on deployment. UNREP operations are a necessary evil for keeping an aircraft carrier fed while at sea. But they do carry some danger with them. The close proximity of the ships during operations and equipment fatigue are other reasons that can bring accidents if not handled properly. One of the worst perils is going overboard, a risk that heightens on high seas or when doing physical work. Maintaining the physical fitness of the crew is crucial to minimize these risks. A fit and well-trained crew is better equipped to handle the challenges of UNREP operations, ensuring that they can respond quickly and effectively in emergencies.
1, 2, 3, heave!
To prepare for the worst-case scenario, aircraft carriers regularly conduct a man-overboard drill. This drill is essential because it trains the crew to react swiftly when someone falls into the water, which is a life-threatening situation. The drill begins with an alarm, and the entire crew must spring into action, following a coordinated plan to locate and rescue the individual as quickly as possible.
Alright, remember, not getting ready.
Speed is critical, as the chances of survival decrease rapidly in cold water or rough seas. These drills are not just routine exercises. They reinforce the importance of readiness and teamwork, ensuring that the crew is always prepared to respond to emergencies. Being physically and mentally prepared is key to the safety and effectiveness of everyone on board. Regular drills, alongside ongoing fitness training, help ensure that the crew can perform their duties under pressure and protect one another in dangerous situations. The Navy knows sailors need their downtime, even on an aircraft carrier. A swim call is where sailors get to jump into the ocean and go for a quick dip. Not only are these events a break, but also very important to keeping up the morale during long deployments. But swim calls are not without their dangers.
Here you go.
And the one element that always poses potential tragedy is sharks. To maintain the security of swimmers, trained personnel and the ship's crew are posted to do so. Once established, these people can react instantly if something goes wrong because they're ready. A recent example? In August 2020, an incident illustrated the need. A large shark, measuring between 6 and 8 feet in length, emerged from the blue depths off Hawaii near crew members who were in the water while on a swim call aboard Coast Guard Cutter Kimball. An announcement on board the vessel quickly directed the 40 closest crew members still in the water to exit immediately, as a safety officer fired shots at what was believed to be either a tiger shark or possibly a great white. Thankfully, the shark swam away unharmed, and no crew members were injured. The incident illustrates how quickly the ocean can turn on you and reinforces the importance of having safety personnel present during swim calls. These rest periods are crucial for the crew in terms of their well-being. However, they need a great deal of attention and vigilance to make sure everyone is safe. In like manner, the med team is also ready 24/7 when on deployment aboard an aircraft carrier. Their preparedness means any health problems, from mild to life-threatening, are promptly and appropriately managed. Crucial in an environment where the health of one affects everyone else on board while at sea. Medical emergencies can happen anytime on a Ford-class aircraft carrier. So the ship's medical team stays on high alert, constantly running drills to be ready for anything. From handling minor cuts to severe injuries, these drills ensure they're prepared to act fast, keeping everyone on board safe and healthy during those long stretches at sea. The ship's pharmacy is key to medical readiness, stocked with all the meds the crew might need. The pharmacy team doesn't just dispense pills. They manage supplies and offer advice on treatment options, ensuring sailors get the right care when they need it. Even dental care is covered on the USS Ronald Reagan, where a full dental clinic is ready to handle everything from routine cleanings to emergency extractions. Having a dentist on board means dental issues are taken care of quickly, preventing bigger problems down the line.
You know, and I've still, to this day, never met a dentist who doesn't love what they do. And I feel like I'm the same way. I love it. Working with patients, being able to take patients out of pain immediately that day, as opposed to, you know, if they have the flu, they come in, you give them a prescription, and you know, wait a week or two and they get better. In dentistry, as much as it is a science, also very much of an art. When you're shaping a tooth or creating a crown for someone, making it fit just like how it used to be, match all the other teeth, color-wise, shape-wise, it's pretty awesome.
Life on an aircraft carrier can be tough, but the ship's store adds a bit of comfort, selling snacks, toiletries, and other small luxuries that remind sailors of home. This little shop plays a big role in keeping morale high. And for those moments when it really is time to enjoy oneself, there are dirtside picnics known as Steel Beach on the flight deck. A time for everyone to unwind, eat, and enjoy each other. Creating relationships that can only occur during long deployments. It's also important to relax and for recreation, which will keep spirits high. They can go work out in the gym, catch a movie, play video games, or enjoy organized sports like basketball and ping pong. These activities guide sailors away from the demanding work tasks and their psychological rest to prepare them for some new challenges. From intense drills to sustaining medical readiness and the Steel Beach picnics that are peppered with sports for recreational activities, life in these floating air bases revolves around gearing up sailors towards any adversity. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you next time.